The secret to establishing a successful social media page is no secret at all. It lies in content creation. In the last video, we went over the step-by-step method of creating a professional social media page on Facebook and Instagram and everything you need to do to make it eye-catching. So in this video, Megha Jain, online campaign manager at Digital Freak, will guide you on how you can use a tool like Canva to create engaging posts and reels for your business pages so you can enhance your brand's online presence. Quick note, this video is a part of a series covering all aspects of digital marketing. To delve deeper into this topic, be sure to check out the other videos in this series. The link is provided below.
Most of the times what we do is we create reels on our mobile devices, right? But this time we are going to use Canva. You know why? Because it's much easier and you don't have to do a lot of, like scrolling here and there, right and left. And, it becomes very difficult with finger navigation. So what we are going to try today is that how to create content for your own page using Canva, right? So here we are assuming that either you are working for a startup, and in case your graphic designer is not there, you have to do for that, or maybe you have your own side hustle, or maybe you have your own business. Okay. And another thing is that people who are good at designing are much better at approving that as well. Like suppose your graphic designer tomorrow asks you that what kind of design you want, and if you don't know that, you can guide the other person as well, right? And as a social media marketer, your prime responsibility is to tell people what exactly do you want in your social media, right? So if you don't know, how would you guide? So we are going to learn that how to create different assets using Canva. So first thing is, let's understand how to create single image post for your Instagram or Facebook. I'll click on create a design, and here I will write Facebook post, right? So Facebook post, you can either create square or landscape. I prefer landscape, so I'll click like this. Now, whatever the theme of your business is, you can go around the same. Suppose we are, say for example, selling pizza on Zomato. So I'll put it like this, okay? Here you have to search for your business. Like suppose your business is travel and tours company. So you can search for travel here. And you can go with this theme as well, right? So Canva offers really good templates, but the thing is keep changing them. Otherwise, suppose you are posting this and somebody else has posted the same, then it would look identical. So make some changes here and there. Like over here, how much off I want to give to people? 40% off, right? Explore India. I'll keep making changes like this, right? And then over here, we can change it. $1,500, no, it would be in rupees. So you can make changes here. You can put your company. So this is the first type, that is posting on Facebook, that too a static post, right? Second is square, that you already know. Now the next type of content that is heavily circulated on both Facebook and Instagram is reel format. They always get more priority. So you have to search over here reels, okay? And you will go with Instagram reel, that is 1080 pixels by 1920, okay? You can either pick something from here or you can have your own scratch one as well. So suppose we are creating it for Zomato. So I'll pick something like this. See how stunning it is looking? And over here now we can have something like this, First, I'll delete everything. I don't want any of these. I'll delete. I just want this amazing fire. And here we'll write like this. Hungry, question mark, right? And reduce the text size because it's not coming in one line. So we'll go like this. Or I can just go with 120, right? And I'll make it wide so that it's visible. Hungry. Or maybe are you feeling hungry? Now you can see over here that background is too bright because of which this is not coming. So you can click on it and you can play with the transparency a little bit like this. So that fire is there, but not that much, right? Hungry. So I'll write over here like this. How many seconds you want to keep it? You can either change over here or you can play on the top as well like this. I want to put it for 4 seconds like this. Now I want similar thing, next one. But before that, I want to put Zomato's logo. So I'll go like this and search for Zomato logo. Okay. So images, because we are considering that we are Zomato, we'll always have their logo. हमारी खुद की company होगी तो of course we'll have the logo, right? So I'll go with this one, right? But actually I want one without background. So I think I can go with this. I'm not sure if this will come like, without background, but I'll just check once. Upload file. Yeah, it has it. No worries. We'll remove it. So you have to go to remove.background, BG. And here I'll put this. And now it is removed. Download. We actually want a vector. And downloads. Here we have the Zomato logo. Like this. Okay. Are you feeling hungry?
If you have made it to this point in the video, do subscribe for more such content and click on the link below to check out our courses. We offer an array of programs from top universities in India as well as abroad. Alright, now back to the lesson.
Now I will duplicate it by clicking on these three dots and we'll click on duplicate. Just wait for it, like I'm going to design it more. Now again we'll duplicate. And now it's time to tell people what are we offering. So in elements, first thing we will put would be burger, right? Search for burger in elements. Whichever burger you like, just pick it up and we'll place it like this. Now, how much off I'm providing on this? Let's put that as well. So this is our burger placed over here. Now again, I'll go to elements, but this time I want a circle like this. And I'll put it over here like this. And I'll make it yellow because for food we use yellow colors. And over here, I'll add some text on this. That would be flat 30% off. So this completely depends upon design. Mubin, yeah, we are going to do that. Okay. So we are definitely going to do that in like 2-3 minutes. Okay. And over here, like this. Okay. Actually, this is looking too big, so I'll just make it more small and more like this. Flat 30%. Right? This is my first D. Flat 30% off. I want another thing, duplicate the page, and this time instead of burger, we'll have something else. We can have pasta. Right? So on pasta, we can have another off as well. So you have to search for it. Now next thing can be noodles, or maybe in India, pav bhaji is also very famous. We can go with pav bhaji as well. Right? So you can just find from here and you can add it. I would also prefer noodles. I'm just giving you ideas that this is how you can go around it. Like this. Okay. And I'll copy this, but this time I have to actually paste it on top so that it comes on top only. Like this. And on this flat 20%. Like this. So you can just keep changing it around, right? And accordingly, we can go up. Okay. I'll just put 2-3 dishes. Third one and the last one, we can put something else. We can put French fries as well. Right? You can put this. You can put this one as well. Like whichever one you want to go with. Right? And I'll just copy and delete this first. And now paste it again. Flat. So here, are you feeling hungry? Don't worry, we have got you covered. Okay. I want to add just one more page. Okay. And we can make a heart on this, just like Zomato does, Zomato does it like this only, very informal, very friendly, right? 1, 2, 3. Okay. Now, last thing would be, again, I'll duplicate this page and I'll place it over here at the end like this. And now I'll write like this. And your reel is done. But now, is it all done? It's not done. We have to now put some animation. You have to click over here and you have to click on animation here. How do you want it to come? This looks so good, sleek. Second one, again, what animation do you want? Like on the second one, like do you want fun, sleek, party, disco, corporate, chill, whichever one you want to go with, whichever one your group feels right, you can go ahead with that. And here, let's try what would work. I'll click on animate. So this one, this looks good, fun. So here also I'll add fun, and here as well I'll add fun. And last one I have to decide, party, corporate, looks good, right? We have added animation. Last thing we have to do is music. Either you can add it from Instagram. In Instagram audio library, you have a lot of music, or you can have it from Canva as well. You have to go to audio, and here you can search for these music. These are all free. Okay. All of them are free. Let's play some of them. Sorry. Wait. Play it like this. No. You can go with this as well. And also last thing is you can also upload your own file. You can just go over here, okay, and you can record yourself, or you can upload your own audio. Okay, you can download it from Google, and in upload you can upload the audio. Okay, this much is something that you can do. You can even click on Instagram and Instagram photo, etc. You can do this as well, right? So this much creativity you can do. Right now I just add some random music that I like. Let me just play some of them. No, these are happy birthday one. Not that good. Too dramatic, right? So we'll just skip it. I'll just put a random one to give you a demo. I'll pick this one. Okay, I just have to click on it now. Make sure that when you select the music, this play button should be in the beginning like this. Okay, now you add this. So your sound is added to complete reel. Okay, now what is next? I can play my reel, where you can see this option on top right, 28 seconds option. That is exactly where you can play it around, this option. Okay, so now let's click on it and see how our reel turns out to be. So this is really a very good part, and I just love teaching this thing, because most of the people don't know ki this can be done in Canva as well, and that too in 5-10 minutes, right? On mobile phone, like I don't know how many of you create reels, but it is very difficult, Why? Because screen is so small and people just keep doing it with fingers, and it becomes so difficult, right? So Canva can help. Another thing is, on Canva, can I put my own videos? Definitely, we can do that as well. So suppose I shoot my own videos, okay, and I want to put it over here. Can I do it? So how will I do this? You have to go to video. I have one video, but I'll mute myself, okay, because I really don't want to show this video out loud. So I'll just go like this. So I can add my own video as well. And yeah, I'll just quickly turn down the volume of this like this. So I can adjust my own video like this, and then I can play it. And can I add text on this? Yes, I can animate that as well. So this is really good tool that you can use, right? So this is how you can go around that. And if you use any other tool, amazing. But if you are beginning with it, Canva can be a game changer for you in that case. Now suppose you have to upload this, right? So you can click on share, and you can download MP4 from here, download. Okay, so let me first delete this other audio because I don't like it. I'll go like this. Okay, and I'll download it, and then I can put on Facebook, or I can put it on Instagram. So on Instagram, you know how to post reels, right? So just open your Instagram app, okay? And now once you have opened it, you have to swipe left and there would be an option of reel, right? That's where exactly you can select from your laptop or computer and you can post a reel once you have this video in your system. Okay. Again, I repeat that this over here is our Instagram, right? You have to swipe just like this. And you have to select from here a reel, right? You know now on Instagram, this is how you can post it.
We hope you found this video helpful. If you did, don't forget to drop this video a like and share it with your friends and colleagues. If you want to learn and explore more such topics, head on to the link below to gain access to more marketing lessons and subscribe to this channel. Until next time.